Go. Namaste everyone. So today, me, Akirtan Sankhi Archit and Devansh are going to talk about orbital theater. So the theme is to create a 3D model for equipments, vehicles, etc. that can be used to reach a space that falls under the category reach space. The reason we have selected this theme is that rockets in the present are unable to meet the demands of increasing space research and are considerably uneconomical. Hence, this project is a piece of technology that can revolutionize space research, opening new gateways such as asteroid mining, and can take traveling to space easier, cheaper, and faster. So, the grouping parts of this model is divided into following parts: launch pad, arrival station, control station, and payload. So now Launchpad. So Launchpad basically consists of two magnetic tracks to keep the plane steady, and and catapult is used to slingshot the spaceship with speed reaching greater than 25,000 km per hour in just 3 seconds. It can, it can act as a departure station for spaceship outgoing and as an arrival station for incoming spaceship. Now coming to arrival station, it has a separate fuel and oxidizer for making the skyhook rotate and controlling the station. It connects the spacecraft via a rope that is attached to the drone for positioning and hook that will connect to spacecraft, and it is also connected to tether.
Let's talk about the control station. This is a space station that has thrusters for monitoring the complete skyhook. It is a monitoring station, also it is a connector between the arrival station and the payload. Also from here we can monitor options such as self-destruct in case the skyhook falls to earth due to a lot of decrease in momentum and lack of maintenance. Changing orbits, changing the radius of arrival station and payload. Basically we can summarize that it functions as the brain of the skyhook. Payload. It is an enormous mass that is used to balance the skyhook and increase the angular acceleration of the skyhook and decrease the moment of inertia about the axis. It does this by shifting the center of mass closer to the axis. On ground testing and implementation. On ground, it will be launched part by part as mentioned. The parts separately will be launched by present rockets and will be assembled into orbit. We can first test it on moon as moon has a much lower gravitational field than earth, considerably 6 times lower. Thank you. I hope so that you like our idea.